how much should you actually spend on a motorcycle helmet? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Alboa AUT801 helmet. Let's kick things off with the Alboa AUT801 priced at $60.99. Right off the bat, the sleek gloss black finish caught my eye, but what really got my attention is that it meets safety standards. If you want a reliable helmet without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This helmet shines when it comes to safety. This means you're not just wearing a helmet, you're wearing peace of mind. With over 640 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, buyers are clearly satisfied. Plus, it's lightweight at just 1.72 kilograms, making long rides less of a pain on your neck and shoulders. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The two visor options allow for clear visibility in all conditions, day or night, which is crucial for safety. The removable, washable liners add a layer of comfort that you'll appreciate on those long rides. Now, some people complained about the sizing being a bit off. Here's the thing though, as long as you measure your head circumference carefully, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider or just starting out. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if the lightweight aspect of the AUT801 caught your eye but you want more features, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CARTMAN Motocross Helmet. Next up is the CARTMAN Adult Dirt Bike Helmet, which is a fantastic choice for off-road enthusiasts. I love that it's packed with cool features and usually goes for a very reasonable price. With a 4.5-star rating from over 410 reviews, it's clear this helmet has a solid fan base. This helmet is DOT approved, ensuring top-tier safety for your adventures. The adjustable chin strap and foam inner lining make it super comfortable, fitting head circumferences from 21.3 to 24 inches. This is essential for a secure fit while you're tearing up the trails. The aerodynamic shape not only reduces wind drag, but also keeps noise levels down, which is a game saver on longer rides. Plus, it comes with protective goggles and gloves, making it a great all-in-one package. Now, some users found that the visor could be too low for their liking. Here's the thing though, this design is intentional for better sun protection and visibility, so it might be a trade-off you're willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're into dirt biking or off-road adventures. Skip this one if you mainly ride on the road. It offers solid value for its price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility. Product number 3, Helmolkin Modular Helmet. Now let's talk about the Helmolkin Adult Modular Motorcycle Helmet priced at $69.99. The first thing that struck me was its dual visor system. If you want flexibility in your riding experience, this helmet is a great fit. This helmet exceeds safety standards and is built tough for extreme adventures. This is super handy when you need to chat or catch your breath. Plus, strategically placed vents ensure you stay cool during hot rides, which is something every rider can appreciate. It also features a cozy interior lining that makes even the longest journeys comfortable. However, some users mentioned it can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing, that bulk is there to ensure safety and comfort, which is ultimately what you want from a helmet. This is perfect for you if you value versatility in your rides. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional full-face helmet. For the features offered, it's a solid investment. Now, if you love that modular design but want something with a bit more style, you'll want to check out the next product. Product number 4, LS2 Stream II Helmet. Now we have the LS2 Stream II full-face motorcycle helmet priced at $169.98. This one stands out with its high-tech aerodynamic design that screams performance. If you're looking for a helmet that combines style with safety, this one is definitely worth considering. The kinetic polymer alloy shell offers amazing strength while keeping the weight down. The dynamic ventilation system helps with airflow, keeping you cool on long rides. Plus, it comes with an optional tinted shield, which is a nice touch if you ride in bright conditions. However, some customers found it a bit pricey compared to others on the list. Here's the thing though, you're investing in advanced technology and superior safety features that can make a difference on the road. This is perfect for you if you ride frequently and prioritize safety. Skip this one if you're just a weekend warrior. It's definitely a higher price point, but you're getting a lot for it. Now, if the price of the Stream II was a concern, you might find the next one more appealing because it's packed with features at a lower cost. Product number 5, Triangle Modular Helmet. Finally, let's check out the Triangle Modular Motorcycle Helmet, which comes in at $69.99. It has a stylish, glossy white finish that really caught my eye. If you want a helmet that looks as good as it performs, this is a solid contender. This helmet features a unique flip-up design that's perfect for quick chats or a breath of fresh air while riding. It's DOT approved, ensuring you're protected with a robust outer shell and multi-density EPS foam. The removable moisture-wicking padding keeps you comfortable, which is essential for longer rides. Plus, the dual visor design means you get optimal visibility no matter the weather. Some users mention that the chin strap could be a bit short. Here's the thing though, as long as it fits snugly, you'll still get the protection you need. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, comfortable option that doesn't skimp on safety. Skip this one if you're looking for a strictly racing helmet. For the price, it balances style and function nicely. So there you have it. We covered the lightweight and affordable ABOA AUT801, the versatile Cartman helmet, the feature-packed Helmolkin modular helmet, the premium LS2 Stream II, and the stylish Triangle helmet. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a decision.